Hey guys, this is Asif from MySmartPrice.com, and we have just received the Google Nexus 5 for the review. This is a 16 GB version and it is not an imported device from UK or US. This is actually the unit which will go on sale officially in the country through Google Play Store and various other retailers in the country. We want to thank TechnoVision Mobiles Hyderabad for getting us the hold of Google Nexus 5 within 24 hours of its official release in India. I'm sorry guys for less than ideal conditions for recording the video, but I just thought of having a quick unboxing video of the Google Nexus 5 and I was excited about shooting this video. So let's get started. I have already broken the seal and this is the Nexus 5. You can just keep it aside. And we have some quick instructions for inserting and removing the SIM card, and we also get a SIM removal tool. Apart from that, we have a Nexus 5 quick start guide. There is also a in-ear headset with a 3.5mm jack. We also have a AC charger adapter. There is a USB to micro USB cable for data transfer and charging. So that's a pretty basic packaging, and you can see the earpiece in the middle of the device, just above the screen. There is a front-facing camera, and here are some bunch of sensors. There's nothing below. At the back, you can see a large Nexus logo in the landscape mode. There's LG branding. There's some IMEI information stuff. There is an 8 megapixel camera at the back and an LED flash. Nothing else at the back. On the top of the device, you get a 3.5mm audio jack and an additional microphone for noise cancellation. On the right hand side of the device, you get the power button and the SIM removal slot. On the left hand side of the device, you get a volume rocker, and at the bottom you get the speaker and the mic along with the micro USB port. Coming to the overall feel of the handset, the back is made up of soft touch plastic and it feels very nice to hold in the hand. And just like the LG G2, it has very slim bezels, very minimalistic design, and compared to other devices like the Xperia Z1 or the Lumia 1020, this phone can be said as designed to be very compact in spite of its large 5-inch screen. Let's see if this Nexus 5 has any juice left in it. Okay, so the Nexus 5 is booting. This is the new starting animation of the Nexus, or you can say the Android 4.4 KitKat. So this is the welcome screen of the Nexus 5, and till I set up a phone, which will take a fair amount of time. This is the Nexus 5 and this is the Nexus 5 unboxing video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the full detailed review of the Nexus 5.